Hey everyone, check out this crystal clear glass. It looks like a high-end studio render, right? But the best part is it only took 500 samples and a few seconds, no more waiting for hours. A follower asked why their render is so noisy. The answer isn't more samples, it's smarter settings. Let's look at the facts. First, the light paths. We don't need Blender to overthinking every bounce. I optimized the settings here to save your GPU some serious work. Take a look at the before and after. Huge speed boost. Next, this shader setup for the glass using the light path node to simplify shaders is the secret to getting that glass without the noise. 500 samples, faster, cleaner, and looks way better. If you are facing any other Blender headaches, leave a comment below. I might feature your question in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.